Welcome to another video. So, Google has launched something really cool, and I wanted to talk about it. As you know, Gemini CLI has been around for a while, especially because they provide a very generous free tier. It was pretty great for sure. However, now Gemini CLI is integrated with the Google AI Pro subscription. And if you take their $20 subscription, then you get a lot more usage limits, similar to OpenAI's Codex and Claude Code. Let me tell you what these limits are and how Google themselves are offering the Google AI Pro subscription for free. But before we do that, let me tell you about today's sponsor, MicroSaaSFast. Dreaming of launching a MicroSaaS or AI side project, but wasting weeks setting up auth, payments, and SEO? Check out MicroSaaSFast, a Next.js boilerplate with Clerk, Stripe, Resend, PostgreSQL, and AI instructions that cut hallucinations by 90% for vibe coding. Easy backend integration with Python, Node, and Go. It is built and used by a CTO who helped 50-plus founders to launch SaaS in the past year. You can save 50-plus hours and actually ship faster. Check now. Link is in the description. Now back to the video. To start, they said that Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers now get Gemini CLI and Gemini Code Assist with higher limits. They announced, "Good news for your development workflows. Starting today, all Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers are getting Gemini CLI and Gemini Code Assist with higher model request limits. This means you can spend more time building and vibe coding with Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash. These changes are rolling out over the next 24 hours. This will be compatible everywhere Gemini CLI plugs in. So, it will work in Gemini Code Assist for VS Code, the IntelliJ plugin, as well as Z integration and GitHub Actions integration. So, that's kind of cool. If we talk about the limits, they've actually clarified them, which is a great thing, unlike Claude and OpenAI, which mostly keep you in limbo. So, in the free tier, you get 60 requests per minute for a total of 1,000 requests per month, which is not bad. In the Pro tier, here noted as Standard, you get 120 requests per minute with 1,500 requests a day. And in Ultra, you get 120 requests per minute with 2,000 requests a day. Now, this might seem like small jumps, but Google actually has internal limits for Gemini's 2.5 Pro models on free tiers, which are very low, like 100 requests a day or even lower during peak hours. At those times, they switch you to Flash, but with the Pro subscription that happens far less often, which is pretty great. Using it is pretty simple. Just head over to their GitHub repo and install it with a simple command. Then you'll be asked if you want to use an API key or your account. Just select account and you'll be good to go. If that account has a Pro or Ultra subscription, it will automatically switch to those limits. Similarly, if you want a graphical interface, you could use something like Gemini Code Assist, which is a VS Code extension. It just works with the same subscription you already have. There's also the Z editor option. In Z, they have an official integration with Gemini CLI, so you can use it there as well and get some pretty great work done. It's also available in IntelliJ, if that's something you prefer to use. Now, I think that Gemini 2.5 Pro, by today's standards, isn't a super great deal, especially when you're paying $20 a month. And you could go for something like the GLM coding plan and maybe get better results. But the Pro plan from Google is not as limited as others. In the Pro plan, you also get Google's deep research with higher limits, which is a great tool for research. You get Flow, which allows you to use VO3 with a large number of credits, around 1,000, and that's a great tool. You also get Whisk for image to video with VO3. You also get Notebook LM, which is a great product. and I know a lot of students use it religiously these days. You also get Jules and a higher tier on top of that, which I really like compared to other options like Codex. It's super good. Now you also get Gemini Code Assist and CLI, plus 2 terabytes of extended Google Drive storage, which is insane value for a $20 subscription for sure. But that's not the best part. If you're a student, you get 1 year of this Pro subscription completely free. This is only available until October 6th, 2025. And if you have an education email, you can claim this as well. That's actually great for students. And it doesn't end there, because Google is currently offering its AI Pro plan free for 4 months. So, Gemini CLI's creator posted about giving out free Pro plans, and you can just go claim the 4-month deal right now, which is awesome. You already get a 1-month trial, but 4 months is even better. So definitely check that out. Also, if you tried Jules before it went generally available, then you'd have also received 3 months of free Google Pro plan, which is awesome too. Google keeps offering free plans multiple times, and even for the paid cost, I think it's worth it. Many people already have the plan. Personally, I think the reason they're integrating all this is because Gemini 3.0 is probably coming very soon, maybe next week. And if that model turns out to be good, then this subscription becomes an even better deal, considering that you get a ton of tools, storage, and even things like Gemini Live on your phone and stuff is a pretty great deal, because ChatGPT and Claude's voice thing isn't as integrated into Android like Gemini's thing, and things like deep research and Jules is also a big plus, and Gemini's Canvas and stuff is also kind of cool for sure. Let's see what happens. I found all this quite interesting, and that's why I wanted to talk about it today. They've also dropped some cool new upgrades to Gemini CLI in the last few days as well. If you're interested, I can make another video talking about those updates. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll cover that too. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.